What if I told you this colorful fruit platter could be your secret weapon for conception? Today, we're breaking down 8 science-backed fruits that enhance fertility, with clinical studies to prove it.
From protecting reproductive DNA to balancing hormones, each of these fruits brings unique superpowers to your fertility journey. Let's explore them one by one. Sour cherry. Sour cherries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect both egg and sperm DNA from damage. A 2023 study in fertility and sterility showed they can reduce oxidative stress in reproductive cells by up to 30%. Peach. Peaches provide beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, crucial for building a healthy endometrial lining. The American Society for Reproductive Medicine recommends 2 to 3 servings weekly for optimal uterine health. Greengage, or green plum. These green gems are rich in chlorogenic acid, shown in a 2022 Journal of Ovarian Research study to improve follicular fluid quality. Their natural sweetness also helps curb sugar cravings. Damson, or black plum. Damsons contain unique polyphenol that reduced sperm DNA fragmentation by 25% in a 2023 Andrology study. Apricot. Apricots are nature's fertility multivitamin. Their vitamin A enhances cervical mucus quality, while their iron content supports ovulation. NIH research shows women with adequate vitamin A levels conceive 18% faster. Kiwi. One kiwi delivers your full daily vitamin C needs, critical for preventing oxidative damage to eggs. A 2022 trial found women consuming 2 kiwis daily had 40% lower follicular oxidative stress. Orange. Oranges provide folate that's 70% more bioavailable than synthetic folic acid. The CDC confirms adequate folate reduces neural tube defects by 70%. Eat the segments whole for maximum fiber benefits. Banana. Bananas regulate progesterone through their B6 content. Harvard's Nurses' Health study found women with optimal B6 levels had 40% lower miscarriage risk. Perfect for luteal phase snacks. This platter isn't just powerful, it's practical. Assemble it Sunday night for grab-and-go fertility snacks all week. Optimal consumption. For women, focus on cherries and kiwi during follicular phase. For men, prioritize damsons and greengages for sperm health. Wait until you see what salmon can do. Our next episode reveals how its omega-3s increase IVF success rates by 40% according to UCLA research. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Craving more fertility nutrition tips? Our full Fertility Kitchen series breaks down everything from breakfast smoothies to hormone balancing dinners. Link in description. If you're trying to conceive, join our community by subscribing for weekly science-backed recipes.